Hello, parents. Welcome, welcome to Alief Taylor High School Open House 2020-2021. All right. Thank you. Nice to meet you. All right. Um, a little about me. My name is Mrs. Mason. I do teach AP Environmental Science. I teach academic biology and pre-AP biology. I've been teaching for 15 years. I've been at Alief Taylor for 8 years. I'm the mother of one son. He's attending Xavier University. He graduated class of 2020 last year. So, yes, I was the parent not knowing if it would be a graduation or not, right? Hey, but we made it. Yes. And just a little more about me. I have three fur babies, and I am married for 8 years. Okay, it's all about communication, right? For Remind, each class has a separate Remind. So please find out what class period your child comes to me, and that is the Remind you will join. That information can be found in the parent information folder in Schoology. This is my response time. Please give me at least 24 hours. Better yet, I would beg for another day, 48 hours, and you will hear from me. If you text or hit me on Remind, it's immediately because it's on my phone as well. So it's easy for me to get to that. Virtual class, we do have rules in the virtual classroom. We ask that students have their cameras on, and I know sometimes they may not want to have the camera, so I do give my kids an option to have a picture of their face, right? So if you can help me with that, that would be great. Zoom classes last about 15 minutes. Students are required to attend Zoom. It's where they receive the instructional input for the content that we're learning for the day, and it also helps them prepare for their exams that they're going to have for the year. And then don't forget, we do need to take the STAR EOC in biology this year. I have tutorials Monday and Tuesday from 2:45 to 3:30 p.m. Again, if they hit me on Remind, I pretty much have tutorials every day. Okay. Schoology, where to go as a parent. There is a folder that says parent communication. Click that folder. That folder is for you. Please join the Remind because that is a group where I will let you know, hey, we are testing this week. Can you make sure that your child is studying, is prepared? Ask them what they scored. So it's where you'll get information from me so you can know what's going on. My students are also doing a book report. They're reading The Gifted Hands. Ask them about it. They'll tell you. Here's some pictures of our classrooms. I know they were not able to show up in the room this year, but I do want them to take a look at their classroom. All right, and this is what it looks like in the center where we do presentations and some other little activities that we do to make learning as amazing and fun as possible. All right, again, remember, we're all in this together. So, my number one goal is to make sure our child is successful. Thank you. We're one team, one Taylor, and we do have that lion pride. Go Lions. Thank you.